Hi friends, it's Deanna here today, and today we're taking our neckline from this to this. So much better, so quick and easy. Let me show you how. Okay, so here's my neckband, and it's a little messy because I just got a little messy with the serger, but that's okay because we're going to hide all that. I got these cute little tags from Boho Fabrics. They have all kinds. This one says made by me, hecho por mí, and we're going to attach it to the neckline. And so we're going to use a little tag. You don't have to have a tag if you don't want to, and then we're going to use some twill tape. Okay, so first of all, we're going to go ahead and attach our neckband. Our neckband's already done, so we're just going to attach our tag to our neckband, and I'm just going to attach it after I have already sewn my neckband because I just feel like it's better that way. If I put it underneath here, you can, but I just don't want to hide my little rainbow. So, well, I think I'm just going to put it on top. Either way is fine though. I'm just going to put it right here. I'm going to go over to my sewing machine and just baste it so that way it doesn't fall off when I try to attach the twill tape. All right, I have my stitch set on a long straight stitch of a 5.0, and we're going to go ahead and sew that tag on, just baste it on, just a basting stitch. I just wanted to baste it to that neckline so it doesn't fall down. There it is. That stitch we can remove later. All right, that tag is on right there in the neckband. Now we're gonna grab our twill tape and we're going to attach it just to the back of our neckline. This is a knit dress, so it's gonna stretch. So you don't wanna attach the twill tape all the way around. You just wanna attach it to the back so it still has its stretch. I'm going to find the center and pin it right at the center. Okay, right over that seam. So we're covering that seam here all the way up, and here on the ends we're just folding that twill tape in towards the inside. And go all the way to the other side as well. Then I'm going to be using a straight stitch on my sewing machine to sew it on. And I kind of want the thread to be like white or off-white to match my twill tape, but then I want my bobbin to be the color of my top because you're going to be able to see a little bit. See how you can see here the basting stitches? You're going to be able to see the stitch a little bit on the back. So you want to use something that's going to match your fabric. Let's go sew this on. All right, so now that I've changed my stitch back to a regular straight stitch and I added some light colored thread to the top of my thread, and then my bobbin is still the color that matches my fabric, we're gonna go really close to the edge and we're just gonna sew that straight stitch. So we're just attaching this twill tape to the bodice, to the neckband. When we get here to the end, go right up to the end, leave our needle down, lift up our foot, and turn down. Turn down for what? And then when we get down to the end, we're gonna lift up our foot and turn again. Make sure that your fabric is not getting caught underneath because you don't want it to ripple or anything. You want it to stay straight. The hardest part is removing these pins out of the way without pinning yourself. And get to the end, lift up your foot and turn. finish up. All right, so now we get to clip all the threads. All right, now that the threads are cut out, it looks so good and on the inside and on the back, you can barely see the threads. What do you think? Comment below and let me know. As usual, please comment, like, share, subscribe if you haven't so you never miss any of my tutorials. It's always really helpful too if you leave a comment or a like, or if you share if you found this helpful. Follow me on Instagram at Eloise.Ezra. I'm also on LTK as Eloise.Ezra, and I am also on Facebook. So yeah, now I'm going to finish up my dress and try it on.